Hi there, welcome to the Schwowin's Nest. My name is Sandra. I do trash to treasure, DIYs, looks for less, and thrift store flips. But today I'm doing something a little different. I am joining all of these wonderful channels for a Mother's Day brunch collab. This is hosted by Sonia at Domestic Diva. What Sonia asked us to do is just to create a favorite recipe, something that we'd be happy to share with our family for Mother's Day. There'll be a playlist with everyone's recipes, so please make sure to check out my description box and click that link to see what everyone is cooking. The recipe I'm making for you today is called hot broccoli dip. Some of the ingredients are, of course, broccoli. I've got a pretty big head here. I've got about 3/4 of a pretty big red pepper, then a couple cloves of garlic and 1 onion. And I've got everything chopped just a little bit because I'm going to be putting it through my food processor to get it minced nice and fine. You can also use a food chopper if you have one, or a manual food processor. This is a recipe from the Pampered chef when I was a consultant years ago. This was an awesome hit at all of the parties. Through the magic of video, here is all of my ingredients pulsed in the food chopper so they're minced nice and fine. The next step is to take some cheese. Now you can use cheddar cheese, medium, old, extra old, whatever is your preference. You're going to need about 2 cups of shredded cheddar cheese. I'm going to do mine in the food processor since I have it out, but you can grate it anyway, or you can use pre-grated cheese as well to make it a little quicker. Now it's time to add some wet ingredients. It's a dip, so I'm going to need some sour cream. I'm using full fat. You can use low fat or non-fat if you prefer. And some mayonnaise. I'm going to need 1 cup of each. A couple staples in every recipe are salt and pepper, so I'm going to use my very accurate measuring system. Of course, it's the palm of my hand. If anybody else is out there like that, let me know because I hate getting out a spoon. Anyhow, and then I'm going to just crack in some black pepper. And this pepper you can put in as much or as little as you want. It's to taste. Time to stir up the ingredients and get them all nicely blended together and ready for the baking dish. I've also preheated my oven to 400 degrees. I'm using an 8x8 glass dish. You don't have to pre-grease this. There is enough fat in this recipe with the cheese and the mayonnaise, and it doesn't stick to the bottom at all. So I'm just going to scoop this in and then just spread it out evenly. You could also add some Parmesan cheese on the top. That's finely grated. That would give it a nice crispy crust on the top. This dip needs to be baked probably about 25 to 30 minutes until the center is bubbly, just like everything else. It looks absolutely delicious. It smells even better with the garlic and all of the peppers and the broccoli. It's a really tasty dish. This hot broccoli dip can be served with so many dipping ideas. You can use vegetables, tortilla chips always go over well, and the flavored ones are great. You can use crackers, but my personal favorite is Greek pita. It's so soft, and when you warm it up or toast it, it just goes really well with this dip. I've even eaten it for lunch or dinner and made a meal out of it, so it's very versatile. I'd like to thank Sonia for hosting this collab. It was a lot of fun to participate. If you're new to my channel, I'd love for you to hit that subscribe button and the bell to get notified when I upload new content. For my current viewers, let me know in the comments if you like seeing a recipe once in a while. I just want to make sure I'm giving you what you want. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one.